Hello friends, welcome to my channel DataMaking. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to install and use Ollama framework in Ubuntu operating system. Prerequisites are desktop or laptop system, you should have it. The operating system which I am using is Ubuntu desktop 24.04, or you can use other Ubuntu version. How to install Ollama framework? In step 1, follow the instruction and install Ollama framework from below official download page, which is ollama.com/download. I will go to this web page, the download page of the Ollama framework. So since I'm using the Linux operating system, which is Ubuntu, I'm going to use this single command to install the Ollama. If you are using Windows or Mac operating system, use the respective installer and complete the installation process. So I take this command, I open the terminal, paste this command, curl command and sh command, and enter. So it is asking the password. Enter your sudo password. So it is going to start installing the Ollama framework. It will take some time. So I'll pause this video for some time. Welcome back. The installation is completed. I'm going to check the Ollama version using the command. You can just type Ollama -v. So it is installed with the Ollama version 0.5.13. Okay, this is the Ollama version installed. How to use this Ollama? So as I mentioned, Ollama is the framework to run the large language models, which is LLMs on your local machine, right? So let's go to the Ollama website. There are a lot of models available, the large language model available in the Ollama. Okay, so you can choose any one of the LLM model and try it out. So for the simplicity, I'll take the Ollama 3.2 model and run and pull this model out of the local file system or the local machine, and I will try to use it and show you. See, all these models, large language models, needs certain resources, which is like RAM. So if you take this Ollama 3.2 LLM, which needs at least 2 GB of RAM. Okay, so if you go for Llama 3 and other models, you need to check whether how much memory it needs. So since it needs 2 GB, so I'm going to pull this. So to pull this large language model in a Ollama, you can run this command, Ollama run Llama 3.2. Okay, so you can just copy paste this command here and then enter. So it is going to again take some time because it's going to download the 2 GB of this Llama model to my local system, and then it will try to run the LLM model. Then I can interact with this LLM model to ask some questions or to generate some content. That we will do it. So it is 32% is completed. I'll pause this video again for some time and I'll resume once the download is completed. Welcome back. The download is almost going to complete. Yeah, it is completed. So what I download is Llama 3.2 model. So you can do in two steps, Ollama pull and give the image name or the model name, or you can just directly do the Llama Ollama run and the model name. Now the model is downloaded and it is running. Now this is like prompt. Okay, the prompt or where you can feed your input. So I'll just ask what is LLM. Basically, this is like in ChatGPT like application, you provide the prompt, right? Your question. So similar like that. We are doing it on command line interface using the Llama framework. I'll just say what is LLM. It is going to now it is asking the model and giving the response. So it says LLM stands for large language model, and other few information is going to generate. So this is how you need to install your Ollama framework, and you can pull various open source LLM models at your local machine and run it. This is going to be very useful when you want to do a lot of uh, proof of concepts or the use cases or project on your local machine instead of relying on the models which is available for commercial. Okay, so it is generating the content. Let's wait for a few more seconds to complete. So what we did is basically we followed this instruction on the official download page to install the Ollama framework, and particularly I am pulling this LLM model which is Llama 3.2, and I was able to just interact with this Llama 2 3.2 model. Okay, so if you just want to complete this, okay, you can just say /q to come out of this /q8, or I think by, yes, /by to just come out of the CLI mode. Okay, so in the next video or coming up video, I will show you how to interact with this local LLM model from the Python code. Okay, so if you want to see what are the LLM models you downloaded from the internet using the Ollama framework, you can just type Ollama list. So it is going to show you the list of models you have in the local machine. See it here. I just installed Ollama and pull only this model. So let's pull one more model also. Uh, the the recent one, DeepSeek R1 model, will try to pull this. So this needs 4.7 GB of RAM. Okay, let's no problem. Okay, I'll take this. I'll just do only pull. So it is going to take some time because it has to download around 4 GB of RAM. Okay, 4.7 GB of model size it has to download, right? So this is how you can actually install the Ollama framework and then start pulling the open source models and install your applications. Building your applications using these language models. Uh, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like and comment this video if you have any questions and suggestions. Happy to help you. Thank you so much.